Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to see about in design thinking, unit 1, 10 tools for design thinking. This is one of the important tools we are using in design thinking. We have 10 tools. The tools are visualization, journey mapping, value chain analysis, mind mapping, rapid concept development, testing, rapid prototyping, customer co-creation, learning launches, and storytelling. Visualization. These are the tools which we are bringing it in graphical manner. What is the thinking, searching, setting, defining, and developing in new model and refining that solutions. I've given simple concept here to understand what is tools. First one is visualization. Visualization is nothing but giving the new point of view. Each one's user's point of view, we have different visualizing process that I've given a simple diagrammatic representation here. We have conducting research, ideate, prototyping, testing. For each one, visually thinking about this so far here. For one product, we have defining, visualizing in different point of view. Here, visualization is about using images. It's not about drawing, it is about visually thinking about that product. It pushes us beyond using the words or language alone. It is a way for unlocking a different part of our brains, giving using to the brains, we are thinking different point of views. That comes under visualization. We have in visualization creative thinking, complex into new idea, diagrammatic representation that can be in bar chart or graph chart. Next one, journey mapping. Journey mapping is experience mapping. Tracing the customer's journey and interact with the organization. Here we are journeying, we are combining and making an experience with the persons who are in that problem. That comes under journey mapping with special attention and emotional highs and lows. Experience mapping is a journey mapping. Its main objective is to identify the user's need and bringing that solution to that problem. Next one is value chain analysis, how an organization interact with the partners, how their product has been reproduced to the market, how the feelings to that customers, how their offerings, that comes under value chain analysis, creating a better value for the customers from the product's point of view. Here I've given some diagram that's based upon value chain analysis, giving the firm infrastructures, HR management, technology development, and recruitment. Based upon these four, we have defining the value chain analysis and giving the margin to that product. And if they attain that value chain analysis attain that product value. Next one, mind mapping. Mind mapping is giving ideas or link to central idea to each other. That is, one main theme will be there, and mind mapping session, more number of viewers or customers who are using that product gives the new ideas. That comes under mind mapping. That is, they are used to generate, visualize, structure, and classify the ideas. Example, mind mapping has central idea, that is A, B, C, D, E. Here, this one point of view, this team brings one point and is taken together that matches with the main idea. That will be checked here in mind mapping. Next, rapid concept development used to generate hypothesis about the potential new business opportunities. That comes under rapid concept. In one, have different viewpoints. Assumption testing, focusing on the assumptions, the attractiveness of new ideas. By keeping the available data, we bringing the new ideas through experiments or field experiments. The concepts of four tests here: value creation, execution, scalability, and defensibility. Based on that, we are assumption text testing. For each concept, we have brief explanation. I have given 2 to 4 points. What is assumption testing? What is mind mapping? I have given. Okay, this is assumption testing examples. This can be automation testing, software testing, searching related more about that and giving testing results. That comes under assumption testing. Prototyping, as I said first, prototyping techniques is giving new ideas to tangible to potential partners and customers. These include storyboardings, journeys, and concept of all development, stakeholders or feedback, users feedback, everything. By keeping that, we are developing on prototype model. We are starting one business, we have planning and we have formalities and launching. At last, we are supporting to that model. Example for startup business. Customer co-creation. Customer co-creation technique allows the managers to engage the customers. That is process of generating new ideas by mutual thinking and reducing the risk. Based upon this, we can reduce the risk. Highest risk can be reduced based upon their customers co-creation. Learning launches, generating assumptions of new growth. We're giving full product rollout. Learning launches, learning new experiment, and quickly we are getting new models. That is upgrading our launches. That is learning launches. For thinking, we should be daily updated for that process. That is an example I've given. We should search, and we should gain the ideas and bringing new ideas to the user's point of view. Storytelling is exactly how it sounds. Make the feels and giving the compelling. That's all about storytelling.